Hi there, it's your baby CEO. Let me tell you why every business needs a nap break. You see, I run multi-million diaper deals, but without my nap, I'm a hot mess. A nap is like a reboot for brains, yours and mine. Plus, it's the secret to all my brilliance. After a nap, I dreamt up Baby Uber, ride-sharing for strollers. Still in development, but who's counting? So take a nap like a pro. Find your blankie, close those eyes, and bam! Wake up ready to tackle the world! Remember, recharged brains make bold decisions and epic PowerPoint slides. Keep it cozy, keep it snoozy, and stay bossy. Okay, time for my beauty sleep. Business innovation awaits when I wake.